I, Lady Cadet Soumyashri, representing PSWR AFPDCW Bonneville. My topic is World War I. The period of World War I is from 1914 to 1918. It has been took place for 4 long years. The war between two European countries leads to the World War I, that is Austria and Serbia. Let us see what are the causes of the World War I and why all the countries involved in this World War I. The main cause of the World War I is the Bosnia, one of the European country, was under the control of Austria. Mm. Then the Bosnia doesn't want to be under the control of Austria. One of the Bosnian has went from Bosnia to Serbia and lived over there. One fine day, the Austrian king, Archduke Franz Ferdinand, married to a girl named Sofia from Bosnia, and they went to a sightseeing for Bosnia. So the king, the king has been killed by the person. The person is of Bosnia Serbia. The person is who born in Bosnia but grown up in Serbia. On July 1914, the king of Austria and the queen has been killed. Why are all these countries entered into the World War I? The Central Powers and Allied Powers are being formed. The Central Powers are Austria-Hungary, Germany, Ottoman Empire, and Bulgaria. And Allied powers are Britain, France, Russia, Bulgaria, Romania, Greece, Japan. These are the Central Powers and Allied powers. Central Powers, in the Central Powers, as you all know, Austria is the main country. Then coming to Germany. Why did Germany enter into the World War I? The Germany has been divided from the Austria to form Germany in 1870s itself. But in 1897, the Bismarck, the ruler of Germany, has had a meeting with the Austria and they have become a friends. So Germany supported the Austria. And then coming to the Ottoman Empire and Bulgaria. Why these two supported to the Central Powers? The Ottoman Empire and Bulgaria, Romania and Greece are the countries of Balkan countries. These Balkan countries are Christian countries and they are under the control of Turkish. So they have fought against the Turkish and they have got freedom in 1912. But in 1913, what happened is they have fought themselves and they have divided. So they have supported to the Central Power. Half of them are supported to Central Powers and half of them are supported to Allied Powers. As Romania, Greece and Romania and Greece are supported to Allied Powers, and Ottoman Empire and Bulgaria has supported to the Central Powers. Now let us see why British is supported to Allied Powers. As British is one of the most toppest country in the world in 18th century, as Germany is coming on the top of the platform. So British doesn't want to bring the Germany to the top. So Germany supported to the Allied powers. And one more reason is as Germany is fighting with the France, it need a way to go to the France. So it asked Belgium to leave away, but Belgium doesn't leave away. So Germany fights with Belgium and moves to the France. While they are fighting with Belgium asks support of British. British and Belgium has a good friendship. So British, in these way also, it supports Allied powers. And coming to the France, why did the France support to the Allied powers? That means Serbia. Why did they support? As France is a part of a part of France has been taken up by the Germany. So the France has anger on the Germany, so it has supported the Serbia. So the occupying of France countries has led France to support Allied powers. And next coming to Romania and Greece, as now I have said, the Balkan War has made the Balkan countries to support either of the countries. So now coming to the Japan. Why did the Japan enter into the World War I? The Japan is the supporting country of Britain, and Japan has also want to improve its kingdom. So Japan supports Britain because Britain has friendship with Japan. So Japan supports Allied powers. And next coming to America. The America have played major role in the World War II but not in the World War I. America is a neutral first, but as America supporting the equipment to the Allied powers or British people, so Germany gets anger and bursts American ship. So America has an anger on Germany and starts supporting Allied powers, and these all makes the World War I. These are the main causes of the World War I, why Allied powers and Central powers are being supporting to the two different countries. These are the main causes. Thank you. Jai Hind.